Hey everyone, this is Dr. Kazi, and in this video we are going to learn about the scapular region, the quadrangular space, and finally the boundaries of the quadrangular space. So this is going to be very easy, simple and short lecture on the scapular region. So let's get started. We know that our whole upper limb is divided into 7 main regions, starting with the shoulder, which consists of your clavicle bone, the scapular bone, and some part of the humerus bone, which I have shown with the green color. Then in the arm region, we have this humerus bone. The elbow connects your arm with the forearm, and finally the wrist and the hands. Now, the shoulder region is very important because this shoulder region is connecting your upper limb with the trunk. The shoulder is in the middle. It is connecting your upper limb with the trunk. Now, the shoulder region is divided further into 3 main regions: the pectoral region, the scapular region, and the axilla region. In the previous video, we've talked about the pectoral region. Let's talk about the scapular region, which is present on the posterior side of your shoulder. Now, the pectoral region is present on the front side of your shoulder, which mainly consists of your pectoralis major muscle, pectoralis minor, and some other muscle. Now, this is the axilla part of your shoulder, and the scapular part is on the posterior side of your shoulder region. So, this is the posterior aspect of the shoulder, and it mainly consists of the muscles and the bones. So what are those muscles? There are 6 muscles which are present on the scapular region. Have a look at this diagram. These are the deltoid muscle, the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, the teres minor, and finally the teres major muscle. The deltoid is a very prominent rotator cuff muscle of your shoulder. Now, these 4 muscles are present on the back side or the posterior side of the scapula bone: the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, the teres minor, and the teres major. Now, there is another muscle which is present on the front side of this scapular bone. Now, in order to show that muscle, have a look at this diagram. Now, this is the scapular bone, and in front of the scapular bone, we have the fossa, which is known as the subscapular fossa, which contain this muscle, the subscapularis muscle. Remember, I have removed some part of the ribs in order to show the correct position of this muscle, the subscapularis muscle. So, the scapular region of the shoulder consists of 6 muscles. Now, due to arrangement of these muscles, certain spaces are created. Have a look at this diagram. This is the scapular bone, which I have shown with the green color, and this is the humerus bone. Due to the arrangement or the attachment side of the muscle, some spaces are created. Now, what are those spaces? Have a look. This is the quadrangular space, and on the right side of the quadrangular space, we have the upper triangular space. Now, below the upper triangular space, we have another space. This is the lower triangular space. These spaces are created because of the attachment of the muscle to their respective ends. These are the intermuscular spaces. Now, let's talk about the quadrangular space. The quadrangular space consists of the posterior circumflex humeral artery along with the axillary nerve. These are the contents of the quadrangular space. Now, let's talk about the boundaries of the quadrangular space. What is above it, what is below it, what is on the right side of the quadrangular space, and what is on the left side of the quadrangular space. Superiorly or above, we have the teres major muscle. Have a look. If this is the quadrangular space, above or superiorly, we have this muscle, the teres major muscle. Now, look below this quadrangular space. Inferiorly, we have another muscle, the teres minor muscle. Now, if you look on the right side or medially to this quadrangular space, this is the long end of the tricep tendon. Now, on the lateral side, on the left side, we have the surgical neck of this humerus bone. This is all about the quadrangular space along with its content and boundaries. Please do like, share and subscribe because these diagrams take a lot of time and effort, and I will see you in the next video.